So I'm just going to go through what you need to do if you need to return either your Amara or Forte machine to your dealer. This machine also has the Pro Stitcher attached, so I will cover that too. So first of all, to remove the machine from the carriage, you must come to the back and remove some of the cables. Importantly, you need to take out the encoder cable from the left-hand side of the machine. The encoder cable can stay in on the right-hand side. You then need to remove other cables. This is the Pro Stitcher cable. That's got a clip on it. Take that out. This Pro Stitcher has a short cable attachment. Yours, if it's a newer model, might have a separate cable attachment directly into the Pro Stitcher. But again, you need to remove these. We would always recommend returning all of the cables with your Pro Stitcher and all of the cables with your machine, because there could be an issue with one of those that's causing any problem that you might be experiencing, and it enables us to test those things as well. So this can undo. I think I'll need a screwdriver for this one here, but that can come out and be packed away with the Pro Stitcher. This is the power cable for the machine. That can come out too. And then we need to go to the front of the machine.